Hey everybody, I am Tim Richards from both 32 Trades and my Options Club. And doing a video on Bitcoin here, really quick. I'm not going to waste your time. But yesterday, as we had that little rally over there on Bitcoin, I shared with my guys and with the public over on Twitter, the take the money alarm has gone off right up there as we broke over there above that $30,000 level. Now, a lot of people disagree. I will probably get death threats for saying this.
Not this time. Not this fucking time. No! No, 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 no! No! No, 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 no! No! Not this fucking time! No fucking way, no fucking way, no fucking way, no fucking way! You made me look a right cunt!
However, you want to talk about Bitcoin and the belief of what it can be and what it will be and what it might be, go for it. You can do that all you want. Charts, A, B, C, C equals A, right there. Got some really strong Fibonacci's right there as well. Take the money alarm is there, and I tell you, it is definitely showing in a much wider spoke. You have your 31,484, which you got to remember everything about trading is a video game. It's all a video game. That 31,484 is your major alarm. You both got your 400-day moving average coming up there as well. Now, it's very clear. I mean, let's be obvious. As we were here back in the beginning of March and you had that bullish crossover, of course, you were going to take advantage of it. You had your little bit of a dip right there, fake everybody out down below that 20,000 level, and then kaboom, you had your big move up. I want you to just take advice here about your major cell divergence that you have going on here on your daily. Absolutely incredible. Now, you want to come over here on your weekly, feel free. Your weekly is not looking very strong. So, again, even though I do not think that Bitcoin is bottomed, I do think that Bitcoin will still go down to around 10,000. Where you are over here at your 31,484 and above that $30,000 level, you are getting a take the money warning. It's a big warning. And yeah, you'll have chances to come back in and get in cheaper, and you'll be able to buy down here at 20,000. It's a big improvement from buying up here at 30,000. But yeah, if you're a Bitcoin lover, you strongly want to be sitting on the sidelines right now. Let the sell divergence play out. Get a nice oversold daily like you had over here on this dip, and catch a nice big ride, and you can enjoy all the Bitcoin you want and believe that it's going to go to 1 million. But your take the money alarm has gone off. If you want something else rather than just doing that, come and join the club. I mean, we don't trade Bitcoin regularly. There is a Bitcoin room, but we do SPX spreads. And although I am trying to get everybody to strictly focus on building it nice and casually by making 5% a day, we unfortunately have much larger trades. 150%, 67, 125% on the trade of the week last week. 50, 14. I mean, we had a bad day over here on April 3, the first day of the month, only 13% on the trade. But it's there for you. So anyway, the Bitcoin take the money alarm has gone off. I hope everything works out for you, and I wish you all the best of luck with your Bitcoin. If you ever want to do and trade SPX spreads or trade options of any kind on any stocks, send me a message. Come join the club.